Have you ever wondered how to grow your own figs from store-bought ones? Imagine the cost savings, the unparalleled freshness, and the sheer satisfaction of cultivating your own food. If you've always wanted to grow your own figs but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. The first step to growing your own figs is to prepare a fig cutting. Begin by choosing a ripe fig from your local store. A ripe fig is soft to touch and often has a sweet aroma. Carefully clean it under cool running water, making sure not to damage the seeds inside. Then, using a sharp knife, slice the fig into several pieces. It's crucial to handle the fig gently throughout this process to preserve the seeds. Now that you have prepared your fig cutting, it's time to plant it. Planting the fig cutting is a crucial step in the process. Begin by selecting a well-draining soil mix, rich in organic matter. The cutting should be planted at a depth of about 3 to 4 inches, ensuring the nodes are well covered. Watering is essential, but moderation is key. Provide enough water to keep the soil moist, not soaked. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common pitfall for many enthusiastic gardeners. With your fig cutting now planted, the next step is to care for it. Caring for your fig plant is essential to ensure it grows successfully. Fig plants thrive in sunny spots, so find a place where it can soak up at least 6 hours of sunshine daily. Water it consistently, but be careful not to overwater as figs don't like soggy feet. As for fruit production, patience is key. It may take a couple of years before your plant starts producing figs. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to growing your own figs from store-bought ones. Growing your own figs from store-bought ones is a rewarding process. We've walked through selecting and preparing your fig cutting, planting it with care, and nurturing your plant to fruition. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.